Have you ever heard of a pope who was put on trial after he died? Or the time Napoleon was attacked by rabbits? No? Then stick around because these stories are real and completely insane. Number 1, in 1518, a woman in Strasbourg started dancing in the street, non-stop. Days later, hundreds joined her. Some even danced themselves to death. Number 2, the shortest war in history lasted just 45 minutes. Zanzibar versus Britain. What happened? I'll tell you in a sec. Number 3, Napoleon threw a rabbit hunt to celebrate a victory. But the rabbits, they weren't wild. They were tame. They ran at him in a horde and he had to flee in a carriage, defeated by bunnies. And finally, the weirdest one. In the year 897, a court dug up Pope Formosus, dressed his corpse in papal robes, and put him on trial. Want to know the craziest part? He was found guilty. In 1518, a woman in Strasbourg started dancing in the street, non-stop. Days later, hundreds joined her. Some even danced themselves to death. So tell me which one shocked you the most. Drop it in the comments and follow for more stories.